Hello everyone, I'm Teacher Michelle and welcome to another episode of Unang Math. In this episode, our lesson is volume of a cylinder. I will be showing and explaining how to find the volume of a cylinder. In the previous episode, we already studied how to find the volume of a prism. Cylinder is a prism. That means the process of finding the volume of a cylinder is similar to that of the volume of a prism. Okay, let's start. We have here a prism, specifically cylinder. In cylinder's case, bases are circles, and these circles are congruent. To find the volume of the cylinder, we have to get first the area of this base. And since this is a circle, to find the area of a circle, area is equal to pi times radius squared. Take note, this base or this circle is just one layer of this cylinder. So to find the volume of the cylinder, the area of this base times how many layers or times the height of this cylinder. So volume of a cylinder is equal to the area of the base times the height of the cylinder. Okay, this time, let's answer this concept check question. We will fill in the box with the appropriate numbers. Okay, the figure here is a cylinder. Okay, it's given that the height of the cylinder is 6 centimeters and the radius of the base or of the circle is 3 centimeters. We will find the volume of this cylinder. To find the volume of this cylinder, first we have to get the area of the base. And since the base is a circle, formula is pi times radius squared. Radius is 3 centimeters. So pi times 3 squared. So 3 squared is 9. So this is equal to 9 pi. So the area of the base is 9 pi squared centimeters. Okay, what about the height? It's given that the height is 6 centimeters. Okay, now, we can now finally get the volume of this cylinder. So the area of the base, which is 9 pi, okay, multiply this one by the height of the cylinder, which is, okay, 6 centimeters. So 9 pi times 6, that's equal to 54. So 54 pi. So the volume of this cylinder is 54 pi cubic centimeters. Okay, let's answer the following problems. The first one is this one. What is the volume of the solid figure made by stacking 3 cylinders with different radii but the same height? So this is the figure. We will find the volume of this solid figure, and this is made by stacking 3 cylinders. So this is our first cylinder. Okay, this is our second cylinder and third cylinder. Okay, given that the height of these 3 cylinders are the same. So this is 4 centimeters. So that means this is also 4 centimeters. This is also 4. This is also 4 centimeters. Okay, the radii are different. So to find the volume of this solid figure, we have to get each cylinder's volume. Then later on, add together to get the volume of this solid figure. Okay, so to find the volume of a cylinder, the formula would be the area of the base times the height of the cylinder, which is 4 centimeters. Okay, first, let's get the volume of this first cylinder. Okay, so what's the area of this base or of this circle? So to find the area of a circle, that would be pi times radius squared. The radius of this circle is, okay, 2 centimeters. So 2 squared, so that would be 4 pi. So 4 pi is the area of the base. Then we have to multiply this one by the height of this cylinder, and that is 4 centimeters. So 4 pi times 4, that is 16 pi. So the volume of the first cylinder is 16 pi cubic centimeters. Okay, let's move on to the second cylinder. So first, get the area of the base or of this circle. Okay, this time, the radius is, 4 centimeters. So pi times 4 squared, so this is equal to 16 pi. And we have to multiply this one by the height of the cylinder, which is 4 centimeters. So 16 pi times 4, that's equal to 64 pi. So 64 pi cubic centimeters. What about this third cylinder? So the third cylinder's base radius is, from here up to here, that's 6 centimeters. So meaning, to find the area of this base, pi times 6 squared. And that is equal to 36 pi. So 36 pi times the height of this cylinder, which is 4 centimeters. 36 pi times 4, this is equal to 144 pi. So 144 pi cubic centimeters. Okay, to find the volume of this solid figure, we have to add these numbers together. So 16 pi plus 64 pi plus 144 pi. And this is equal to 224 pi. So the volume of the solid figure is 224 pi cubic centimeters. Okay, let's answer this last question. We are going to find the volume of this solid figure. If you're going to take a look at the solid figure, okay, this is also prism. Bases are congruent, and these bases are sectors. So sectors are part of a circle. So to find the volume of the solid figure, we have to get first the area of the base or of this sector, and we have to multiply this one by the height of this figure, which is given and it's 9 centimeters. Okay, so let's find the area of this base. Okay, this sector is part of the whole area of a circle. So to find the whole area of a circle, that would be pi r squared, or pi times radius squared. But since this is a sector, so pi times radius squared times the ratio of the central angle to the whole, which is 150 over 360. Okay, it's given that the radius is 4 centimeters. So 4 squared, that would be equal to, 16 pi. So we have here 16 pi times 150 over 360 times the height, which is 9 centimeters. So this is times 9. Okay, let's simplify. 360 and 9 can be simplified. So this is 9. This becomes 40. Okay, 150 over 40, we can remove the zeros here. So we can simplify. So 15 over 4. And then 16, 4 can be simplified. So this becomes 1. This is now 4. So 4 times 15, then that is equal to 60. So 60 pi. So 60 pi cubic centimeters. So this is the volume of the solid figure. And then that is option number 4.